Hello, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to this live streaming of mine once again. Yes, today I'm going to predict about the Bitcoin. I'm going to predict about the Bitcoin, the S&P 500. I'm going to predict about the US Tech 100, Nasdaq 100 futures. I'm going to predict about the gold, silver, copper, Bitcoin, crude oil WTI, and copper as well. So don't forget. I'm just forgetting one more thing. Natural gas. And yes, natural gas has fallen almost 5% today. And at one point in time, it was, it had already fallen about 5.5% in dollar terms. Yes, it had. So, there is a lot of volatility happening in the natural gas. And I believe that natural gas will show some correction right now. Maybe tomorrow would be a bullish day for natural gas, but it will eventually fall and it can show a level of, say, around 4.88 by tomorrow. By tomorrow night, Indian Standard Time. Yes. Tomorrow could be a slightly bullish day, and after evening, natural gas could fall. Yes, it could. So, you see, if you want to buy Bitcoin today, you can buy it at a level of 89,435. You have to remain in the buying mode. You have to have a mentality of buying Bitcoin today, 89,435. Natural gas, you can buy it at a level of 4.96 today. 4.96 today. Silver you can buy it at a level of $57 and 73 cents. $57.73. And gold you can buy it at a level of 4188. Yes. Gold and silver have been consolidating, and one fall is expected now in the next few days. Crude oil, see, it doesn't want to cross the level of $60.50. Crude oil WTI, I'm talking about crude oil WTI. It doesn't want to cross the level of $60.50. So any dip towards 58.90 should be bought into. 58.90 is the price at which you can buy crude oil WTI. And S&P 500. You can buy it at a level of 6844. In the next coming days and weeks, I expect the S&P 500 to touch a level of 7,000, that magical figure of 7,000 and 7,050. Well, Meta Platforms has already run up $100 since the time I have told you to buy. I told you to buy it at a level of 580. Currently, it is trading at 670. Those people who heard my prediction regarding Meta Platforms, press the like button, please. Yes, I have been constantly telling you to invest your money for the long term in Meta, and I had told you all this when Meta Platforms was trading at $580. Currently, it is trading at $671. Yes. And Regarding Microsoft, I want to tell you all, you need to buy it at a level of 404, 404. Starbucks, you can buy it at a level of 72 and 75, and Robinhood markets, you can buy it at a level of 80 to 85, which I expect the rates of Robinhood markets I expect to see in the next 8 to 9 months. 9 months, yes. Copper is showing a slight correction right now. Slight. I wouldn't be surprised if copper falls to a level of 5.28 within this week. $5.28. See, let me tell you now, it's a very big prediction. US Tech 100 is currently trading at 25,763. Today is the 8th of December 2025. You will see a sharp correction in US Tech 100 in the next few days. And I wouldn't be surprised if it falls around 700 points in the next few days. That means it can show a level of 25,100, and Nasdaq 100 futures can fall from this level and can fall to a level of 25,200 points. US Tech 100 can fall to 25,100, and Nasdaq 100 futures can fall to Nasdaq 25,200, thereabouts. So Bitcoin I have spoken about. I've spoken about the S&P 500. Copper I have told you. Natural gas I have told you. The first half of tomorrow could be a bullish trend for natural gas. But the second half, again, there will be a slight correction from the levels which would be at that point in time. Suppose the first half shows a rally of, say, around, for example, $5.20. And if that is the price tomorrow in the first half, then it will fall from $5.20. That is what I mean. So Netflix is currently trading at $97. Well, Netflix, somewhere in the region of $80 could be a very good buy. Could be a very good buy. Netflix at $80 could be a very good buy. Well, I've already spoken about gold, silver, and all the commodities and the indices. So let me now start taking your questions. There are 2-3 questions. Read somewhere tomorrow Shukra and Jyeshtha will make metal prices fall. Do you agree with the same, Guruji? Partially, I agree partially, but there is a possibility of the metals falling tomorrow. Yes, there is a strong possibility. Yes, there is a strong possibility of metals falling tomorrow. Yes, I agree, but partially, not fully. Alam, Mr. Alam. Let me see. PLRZ stock. I don't think so. This is a good stock to buy. I personally don't feel you should buy this at this current price. If you want to try your luck, you can buy it at a level of around $3.10 and not before that. Mr. Bunia, I'm not speaking about MCX right now. I'm talking in dollar terms, and this video is basically for the American markets and in dollar terms, not for the Indian markets. My apologies, Mr. Bunia. So I've given you my predictions regarding S&P 500 and all. So let us see how my predictions work for this particular week. And now I want to talk about y'all, because I'll tell you that you are the most important person in this world. Yes, you are the most important person in this world. And you have to take care of yourself. You have to take care of your mind, body and soul. Until you are on this planet Earth, you need to take care of your mind, body and soul. You know, we are all gonna die one day. Yes, but let it not be our fault. We mustn't eat anything which is injurious to our health. Yes, we shouldn't eat anything which is injurious to our health. You see, we should eat moderately. Especially if you are above 50, you should think and eat. You cannot eat anything and everything. I mean, you cannot eat junk stuff every day. Once in a while, it's okay. Once a month or twice in a month, once in 2 months, that's all right. But you cannot destroy your health just because of your tongue, just because you want some taste. No, you cannot do that. So, you know, health is wealth. Only if your health is good, you will be able to earn money. You will be able to do some work. You will be able to think. You see, when a person has good health, he has got 1,000 problems. He has to take care of his children, his wife, his mother, his father or her children. She has to take care of the house. She has to cook the food if her health is all right, etc., etc., etc. But if you don't have good health, then there is only one problem. That is your health. Because you won't be able to concentrate on anything else. You won't be able to focus on anything else if your health isn't good. So I would suggest you not to eat too much. Stop eating that junk stuff. Stop drinking that, alcohol. Stop smoking. Get up in the morning and go for a morning walk or an evening walk, whichever is convenient to you. Do some exercises. Try to eat less. Drink more water. So, you see, the thing is that we need to take care of our health. As I told you, that if your health is not there, if you have bad, terrible health, then you won't be able to do anything in this world. Nothing in this world will attract you. Nothing else, I said. So, as I said, that if you have health issues, there is only one problem. That is your health. But if you have good health, there are thousands of problems. You start thinking about thousands of problems. So if you want to complete those tasks in your life, work in your life, if you are a professional, a doctor, an engineer, a lawyer, if you don't have good health, how will you work? If you are a businessman, if you are doing a small job, if you have a small eatery, if you have a restaurant, if you don't have good health, how will you take care of your all these things? How will you take care of others? We are not just on this planet Earth to take care of ourselves. We need to have some responsibility. We have some responsibility for others as well, for our near and dear ones. And let me tell you that two things are the most dangerous things to squander, to waste. And those two things are time and money. That is serious. I'm telling you, that is dangerous. If you are wasting your time, you are wasting your life. Because our life is made up of time. Yes, isn't it? The time is the only ingredient we have in this thing called life. And if we waste that, we waste our life and money. Yes, because you are spending time to earn money. It boils down to time again. You are spending time to earn money, and if you waste money, your time is wasted, and then your life gets wasted. So these two things. And let me tell you, if you don't have money these days, you can't even go to a church, a temple, a gurdwara, a mosque. You cannot visit a God's temple, or a temple or a gurdwara or a mosque or a church without money in your pocket. So to visit God also these days, you need money. Some people say money isn't important. But let me tell you, it is right up there with oxygen. Yes, it is there up with oxygen. It is there up with oxygen. See, the fact of the matter is that today if you have money, your near and dear ones, they are going to admire you. They are going to respect you. They are going to love you more than those relatives of theirs who don't have money. Let me tell you, this is kind of a joke. Even if you don't love them, even if you don't respect them, even if you don't admire them, they will respect, love and admire you if you have money. Money is not, I'm telling you, money is not less than God these days. Yes, if you have money, people will give you importance. They will listen to you. However silly your jokes are, they will listen to you. Yes, they will. They are not going to talk to those people who don't have money. And if you have money, you will remain strong. You will have choices. You will have time in your life. You will have options in your life. You will be able to maneuver your life the way you want. You will have the time to maneuver your life the way you want it. So, money gives you options. It gives you choices in life. So, money is important. You see, the fact is that if you have money, people will find something cute on you. Even if you are ugly. Even if you are ugly, and if you have the money, people will find something cute on you. People will, they will find you very beautiful. They will find you very handsome. They will find you very good looking. They will find you very attractive. They will find you very sexy. They will find you everything. Every good word in the dictionary, they will try to add the best of words with you. So this is the power of money today. And stock market is one place where you can earn money with dignity. You don't have to go to anyone to sell your product or buy any product from anywhere. You can do it from the comfort of your home. This is an age of click and order. This is an age of click and order. You can order anything at a click of a button. Those days are gone where you had to go to some brick and mortar shop and buy something for yourself. This is an age of click and order. So you can do it from the comfort of your home. You don't have to go to anyone to sell your product. You just have to do your own due diligence. You have to do your own research. And the last thing which you need is luck. Yes, nothing happens without luck. I'm telling you, it is all destined. But that doesn't mean that you won't make an effort. God will only bless when you do something. God will bless what you do. God will never bless what you don't do. So if you want a job and you sit in your couch the entire day and you start watching that television hour after hour and say, oh God, I want a job, and you're watching some soccer match or a tennis match or a cricket match or a football match, and you want God to do something for you, it won't happen. God is not going to move his little finger for you then. But if you do what you can, God will do what you cannot. If you do what you can, if you do things which are within your control, then God will make things happen for you which aren't under your control. If you agree with me, press the like button. If you agree with me. You see, pray as if everything depends upon God, but work as if everything depends upon you. And you don't have to expend your time worrying about things. Instead, you need to expend your time doing certain thing. Action. You must be in action mode throughout your day. You have to be in action throughout the day. Make every second count in your life as if it is your last, that moment is your last moment on this planet Earth. And then you see how successful you will become. And stock market is not an easy business. If you treat this as a business, and if you have the patience, if you have the money, if you have certain capital, if you have the wherewithal, the resources, if you have some luck. So, before you start this business called the stock market, show me your horoscope. If you want me to, and if for those people who want predictions every day about gold, silver, S&P 500, US Tech 100, Nasdaq 100 futures, gold, silver, you're most welcome to contact me. My charges are $98 a weekly. I give predictions every day regarding all these commodities and the indices. So, this weapon called the stock market can give you tremendous money, incredible money, massive money, colossal money. Have that mentality, have that thought, have that, that spirit in you to succeed in life, to succeed in the stock market. Create that mindset that you have to become a billionaire in the stock market and nothing less than that. If others had done it, you can do it too, because you have greatness within you. You have something special. You have greatness within you without even knowing you, without even seeing you, without even meeting you. This astrologer, that is me, can predict that you have something great in you. You have something special. You have greatness within you. Nobody can, if you put your mind, body and soul to a certain thing in your life, you will get it. But you must be able to go through the ups and downs of that particular process. The process is important. If you can sustain that process, if you can see the ups and downs of the stock market, if you are able to, buy a certain stock at $10 and even if that stock falls to $1, and if you are still very patient, if you are still very calm, if you still don't panic, then nobody can stop you from winning in the stock market. And don't look for shortcuts in the stock market. Don't look for shortcuts in the stock market. Don't do that. Instant gratifications don't work in the stock market. If you want money now, like in a casino, you're not gonna get it. Be ready to stay the course. Yes, you need to stay the course anyways. Do it anyways. That is the mantra. Do it anyways. Well, I always say this. If you cannot fly, try to run. If you cannot fly, try to run. And if you cannot run, then try to walk. And if you cannot walk, try to crawl. But keep moving forward. So what is the mantra? Keep moving forward and do it anyways. Do it anyhow. You cannot let your fears stop you from becoming what you want to become in this life. You cannot allow your fears to stop you from becoming what you want to become in your life. Oh. Sahilji's question is, see, I just told you, rewind this video and just listen to my gold and silver predictions, please. Gold has already started falling. I had told you all, the levels will come. The levels which I have just spoken in this video. That is the power of astrology and numerology. That is the power of astrology and numerology. And what I am telling y'all is not to impress y'all, but to impress upon y'all the power of astrology and numerology. With my 33 years of experience in astrology and numerology, I have been able to give y'all such accurate predictions regarding several commodities, indices, the Indian markets, the US markets, about you. And I'm not a stock market expert. I'm not a commodity expert. I'm nothing. I'm just an astrologer. And astrologer, a numerologist, a mystic who tries to connect with God every morning. And if you want me to pray for you, because prayer can move mountains. Prayer can move mountains. So if you are busy in your life, if you don't find a solution to your problems in your life, if you are stuck somewhere in the dark, don't know where to go, then probably I am the person who can help you. I am the person who can help you. I can give you a remedy. I can do prayers for you. I have been doing this since the last 33 years. So I know if you all don't have the time, if you all don't know how to, make good things manifest in your life, I will help you all. And if you want to show me your horoscope, it's just $53. Yes, it's only $53. You can get a direction in your life where you want to go, where you where you should be going. Instead of wandering in the dark, you don't know where to go, which side to go, which direction to take, which vehicle to take, which city to go, where to go, when to go, what to do. If you don't have answers to these questions, I am the person to be contacted. So, if you want some help from me, you're most welcome to contact me. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. My secretary, Mr. Kalidas, shall respond to you accordingly. No, not for the long term. Mr. Sahil, not for the long term. Please. Not for the long term. Mr. Gyasuddin ji, MCX, natural gas 410. It will come, but it will take some time. Mr. Gyasuddin, your prices will come. It's not gonna come today. But it has fallen from its highs. So, it's not gonna come in a jiffy. It's not gonna come today. It's not gonna come tonight. So be patient. Be patient. If you're willing to wait, I think you will get your prizes very, very soon. So that is what I wanted to tell you all, and that pretty much completes my video. Just let me see. So it has already gone down to a level of 450 today, natural gas on the MCX. I don't talk about MCX in this program, but okay, that's it. So that pretty much completes my video. God bless you all. Jai Mata Di, Jai Ma Kali.